Sometimes marriage can be short term, sometimes marriages can last for long time. Marriage is such a karmic relationship where two people spend the most time together. So this makes it very critical. If you understand the nature of your partner using the science of astrology, then you'll be able to handle each and every situation differently. And if I see combination of 672, again, this is also magnetic aura. In today's video, I like to discuss a very important topic, marriage. Lot of people in India consult astrologers prior to marriage, and typically an astrologer, when they do matchmaking, they look at different aspects. For example, nature of the person, health, career, and then they see whether those people are the right fit, depending on all these three parameters. So as per our ancient religious text, they say marriage is defined when two people are connected from their past lives to resolve their unfinished issues. It involves deep learning, challenges, growth that stem from all the life lessons they have to learn in this life. So it can be very transforming. Sometimes marriage can be short term, sometimes marriages can last for long time. Marriage is such a karmic relationship where two people spend the most time together, more time as compared to the time they spend with their parents or their kids. So this makes it very critical. If you understand the nature of your partner using the science of astrology, then you'll be able to handle each and every situation differently. After reviewing hundreds of horoscopes of celebrities and clients and doing my research, I came to the conclusion, though love is very, very critical part of a happy marriage, but marriage basically runs on commitment, mutual respect, and fulfillment of duties towards the families. I have seen in some horoscope, though couples live together, we can see their emotional and mental separation using certain tools, whether it's numerology, astrology, or palmistry. So let's start with one example where I take a couple, husband and wife, and see their strengths and their weaknesses, and how if we know and explain all these possibilities of each other to the couple, then they'll be able to understand why the person do what they do. Because this astrology horoscope is, or a numerology grid, these are innate qualities or your DNA, what you're born in. And certainly you can improve all your life through different lessons. So the first horoscope is for the husband on your screen. And he was born 1st November 1975. And I'm now using numerology to explain the personality or persona of this person. Then I'm going to explain for the wife. And at the end, I will take a celebrity horoscope to explain my point. So the husband basic number is 1 and his destiny number is 5. So if you see his grid, there is 4 numbers. As you can see, 3, then there is 1, 7, and 5. If you have seen my previous numerology video where I explained each number signifies certain planet. For example, 3 signifies Jupiter, 1 signifies Sun, 7 signifies Ketu, 5 signifies Mercury. So if I have to read in a nutshell the personality of this person and explain to the couple's parents or the partner what this person is all about, so I will start with first their basic number, before marriage, or what is his basic characteristic. So number 1 is Sun. Sun is denotes leadership qualities, confidence, authority, name and fame, and self-respect. So people who have sun in their grid, those people, only like to go where they are respected. So if you respect these people, they will respect you back multiple times. And then if I see his destiny number, which is 5, it means after the transformation age, which typically happens after the marriage, his focus will be all towards money. 5 indicates Mercury, which is the planet of business. So this person is business minded. He knows how to invest, save money, and also make money. They think about profit and loss in almost all relationships or all the situations. So they are very wise and they spend their money smartly. And they know how to do different calculations in their head. Their mind is very, very sharp. So 1 and 5 is basically their nature. So they are born leaders. They are very sharp with calculations, very business minded, and often they can be very good bankers or business people. Then the third number I see is Jupiter, which is denoted by number 3, as you can see in the grid. Jupiter signifies wisdom. These people are very good counselors to their friends or their circles, even as the boss. They also signify family, and these people take all the decisions after consultation with the family. So the number 3 also indicates that. And these people like to hang out with other mature people. They have very strong values and principles in life. Then if I see number 3, where we see 3 different ones, as we can do different calculations, so it shows that intensity of sun in this horoscope is very prominent. It means these people sometimes can be little dictatorial, or they are very authoritative, and sometimes you can have anger outburst sometimes. And in certain situations, since sun is afflicted, at the same time in certain situations they can also show lack of authority or lack of confidence, depending on other dashas or antardashas during each year. Another number I can see in the grid is 7. So 7 signifies Ketu. So what is Ketu? Ketu gives you stability in life. It gives you deep logical thinking, and it provides you certain luck in your life. Then they have certain combinations which I can read. 3 and 1 on the top grid. If I combine both the numbers, these people often are seen in good management positions which demand authority, planning. So these people can be very good in that, CEOs especially. 7-5 comes together, show easy money, and these people have good cash flow in their life, and they are also very attractive persona. And what they don't have is the numbers which make you emotional or show your emotions. So in this grid, there is no Venus, there is no Moon, and there is no Saturn. So what that makes this person is, sometimes to the outer world, this person appears very cold or without emotions and very calculative. Though even without these numbers, these people still have emotions. It's just, they believe that showing emotion is a sign of weakness. Now let's see other chart, which is the chart of this person's wife, how this person is different as compared to the husband. So on your screen, if you see, the wife is born on 22nd June 1978. And her basic number is 4, destiny number is 8. So as you can see on the grid, if you see the top plane, which is basically the purpose plane, it is empty. Middle planes, which shows you luxury and those kind of things. So she has 6 and 7. And in the last plane, lower plane, which is basically struggle plane, she has Moon, Saturn, and Rahu, denoted by number 284. So let's try to understand the nature of the wife. So basic number 4 makes a person rebel. So they like to do what they please. And, things in their life happen suddenly, and that's how they do. Rahu, which is indicated by number 4, these people are very good in research, but at the same time, they don't know where their money goes. So they have, expenses out of the blue. So, they have to be careful in that. But if in a grid, Rahu and Ketu come together 7 and 4, I have noticed many successful IT professions which are good in research, those have this kind of combination. Another number I see in her horoscope is 8, which is her destiny number. So number 8, which is denoted by Saturn, makes the person very empathetic, helpful. They like to help people in need. At the same time, they have life of struggle and challenges. So what happen is, birth number indicates which is your date of birth, your earlier part of life prior to 30 or before marriage, and destiny number kicks in after your marriage. So it shows after her marriage, since Saturn is prominent, she has to have some challenges in her life. It can be related to maybe career or the family situation. Next number I see in her grade is 6, which is Venus. It shows her artistical abilities. She might like music, dance, painting. She loves cooking, because Venus also, those people like to decorate. They like to present their food in a nicer way. They are attracted by outer beauty. They love harmony, love, affection. These people with Venus in their grid, they are very brand conscious. They have very magnetic aura. Whether you are male or female, these people are very irresistible and people are attracted to them. At the same time, Venus makes them very diplomatic. So they know how to handle different family situations. Now I see the permutation combination. So 6, 7 in the grid coming together makes the person very romantic. And as I mentioned, these are very attractive people. I have seen this combination in lot of, film stars, models, because they attract media attention. So 6 also is the number of media. So if somebody wants to need a public support, have social media channel, YouTube, definitely Venus helps. It attracts media attention. And if I see combination of 6, 7, 2, again, this is also magnetic aura. If you see horoscope of any celebrity, in my another video, I discuss horoscope of Shah Rukh Khan, which is Bollywood biggest star. He has 6, 7, 2 combination, make, medias want to surround him all the time. 2, 6 also make a person very sweet nature, and 7 in the grid gives a life which is very stable. They have certain kind of luck, and they are very logical, deep thinkers. So if I see in her grid moon, which is denoted by 2, so she has 2 2s which make her oversensitive. This person need lot of pampering, emotional support, and she can have highs, lows, or sometimes feel anxious. So these people need to be pampered. Another number which is in double is Saturn, indicated by 8. So she has 2 8s, which actually helps her create a lot of opportunities in her life, and also is a very good number to have if you want to be in a business of real estate or want to acquire real estate. So in her life, she will, buy, sell properties for sure. And if I see the bottom grid, bottom third row, indicated by 284 coming together, it shows highs, lows in profession. These people have to work really hard to achieve things in life. But yes, under, good dashas, if, they come and these people work hard, they can reach to the top. I have seen this combination in lot of different celebrities where they struggle, but certainly they reach the top. So now on the screen, if I see husband, wife horoscope side by side, you can see that the husband has less emotional number and wife is all emotions. So wife has 6, which is Venus, wife has 2, which is moon. wife has 8, which is Saturn, indicating empathy. So if I compare both, husband doesn't have these numbers, it means the husband have hard time expressing the emotions. So if the wife says, honey, let's go for a movie, or let's go to a restaurant, or let's go, have fun, the person says, we will have that, but let me do the business deal or make more money. So that is the main difference. The husband doesn't know how to enjoy life, and the wife, she likes to enjoy smaller things in her life. So that is the first part of the video. Now let's focus on a celebrity horoscope. We will discuss Bollywood stars Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone, that's the wife. So as you can see on your screen, the first horoscope is Deepika Padukone. She's born January the 5th, 1986. Her basic number is 5, destiny number is 6. So in her grid, you will see on the top 3, 1. 3 is Jupiter, 1 is Sun, then she has Venus, 6, Mercury 5, and 8 at the bottom. So people with the basic number 5, these people know how to make money. They have very good business sense. And number 3, which is destiny number, shows that these people are very good counsel, very wise people. They believe in family values and principles. And when we combine 3 and 1, it makes person very good manager, leader. At the same time, they seek authority. Venus, again, is a very critical planet when it comes down to success in any kind of movies or any creative pursuit, social media. So these people are very artistic. They like to dance, music. They love luxury. They have good fashion sense. And Venus also in the grid makes person seek harmony, love, always stand with their friends and family, and very romantic. If I see number 8, these people are very humble because 8 is Saturn. These people are very empathetic and they can't see other people cry. They're very empathetic and they help needy people. So if I see different combination, 3, 1, 5 in the grid make it a very good communicator. 3, 6 in the grid makes person very family oriented. And 3, 1, as I mentioned, give you good leadership skills and good administration skills. So her basic number 5 shows prior to marriage, her focus was all about making money. But then after marriage, the destiny number 3 kicks in, makes her very, very family oriented, and her focus will change. Now let's see the horoscope of Ranveer Singh on the screen. He was born 6th July 1985, basic number 6, destiny number 9. So as you can see, the basic number 6, it gives personal a magnetic aura, artistics, love fashion, brand cautious. Same time, he has similar number as his wife Deepika, where they're looking for harmony, love, romance, and they also stand with their friends and family. Destiny number 9, which is ruled by Mars, make a person very bold, have lots of courage, energy, and they are very humanitarian people. They like to help different charities, and they also are freedom lovers. 7 in his grid, which was missing in Deepika's, make his mind a very deep research-oriented mind. These people are very deep thinkers, very lucky, very stable life, and very spiritual, and have investigative mind. 5 in the grid makes person very business savvy. They calculate things in their mind. They understand profit and loss situations, very adventurous, and are flexible to work with other people. 8